back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, I'm Demon Fox. We are working on my 1988 Mustang GT, aka the Red Demon. We're doing a 7665 On3 turbo on stock 302. And my regular people, I know you're tired of hearing me say that, but you know, I got to for the new people, so cut some slack. I got a few little clips I'm gonna throw in here in a few seconds. That's what I've been up to this week. Just been doing some little old tedious, nitpicky things. I know you guys wouldn't really be interested in seeing. It's really not worth filming. Plus, I can get it done real quick if I'm not filming. So that's what I've been up to this week. But like I said, we'll watch a couple of these little old clips that some of the things that I put on the car that I actually did film. We'll come back and we'll look at everything in real time to where I'm at tonight. I'm just taking stuff off, putting stuff on, checking it out, and yeah, that's about what I'm up to tonight. So guys, enjoy these little old clips. When we get to the end of those, we'll come back, talk a little bit more about the Red Demon, and I won't hold you guys up anymore. So hang tight. Guys, I hope you enjoyed those little old clips, man. That's what I've been up to this week, just doing some of this little old tedious stuff. I mean, it's, nothing really interesting. Sometimes you just got to do the work, man. I try to film as much as I possibly could. As you see, the first thing that's going to go is this glossy ass fan shroud. I can't stand that, man. I didn't realize it was going to be quite that glossy. Gleaming. I tried the belt that I got, didn't work. I got the 71.5-inch belt. I think I'm going to try to go with a 71-inch. Adjust it out to where the alternator was actually hitting the turbo. I still need a little bit more adjustment, in my opinion, to feel comfortable with the tension on the belt. Got the exhaust piping taken off, the cold piping. I'm going to go ahead and wrap both of them, man. I still got like, I think 50 feet of header wrap, so we're going to utilize all that stuff. I got some more bands over there. Guys, I meant to tell you guys this a couple videos ago, but if you guys want to add your fuel pressure gauge to your fuel pressure regulator, all you really need is a 1/8 male piece of pipe. I got this at Home Depot. I'm sure Lowe's will have it too. And this is an adapter, 1/8 by 1/8 female. And this just adapt my fuel pressure gauge to the fuel pressure regulator. So I meant to tell you guys that a couple of videos ago, man. I know that probably helped some of you guys out knowing the thread size, but it's a 1/8 MPT is what that thing is. Still need to, well, look here. I got the distributor dropped in. Got the piston up on number 1 top dead center on compression stroke, and got the distributor dropped in. So I just got that mocked up in place right now, man. I still need to prime the oil pump, all that good stuff, but I still need to get the clutch cable installed. I need some DEI wrap for that. I need some DEI wrap for this. Just excuse the shop, guys. I mean, every time I clean it up, man, it just gets messed up again, so I just kind of give up on it. So I'm out here tinkering when I can every night, man, late. I think it's about 11:30 now. I got to go in there and go to bed. So I'll go to work tomorrow. Anyway, got the bottom radiator hose on. I got some more DEI wrap for the oil feed line to the turbo. I just need to cut it and get it put on there. Still need to put plugs in it, you know, all that good stuff, man. I got the AC compressor off right now, cleaning it the best I possibly can, man. It's off of 86. I mean, I can't expect too much out of it, but it did work, so we're going to use it again. I got the upper radiator hose on, all that good stuff, man. So we're actually chugging away at everything. So guys, make sure you stay tuned for the next video, man. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a, I guess you could say, I don't know if you want to call it a hack or whatever, but I guess a mod to the car. Make sure you keep an eye out for that video. I'm going to go over that in the next video, most definitely. So hopefully some of you guys will incorporate that on your cars. If you do, let me know how it works out. I know I'm going to try it, but I'm not going to give too much more away. We're going to go over that in the next video. Like I said, I'm just doing a little nitpicky stuff, man. I still need to bleed out the brakes, all that good stuff. Still needs to be done. I know I hadn't revealed to you guys what rims I'm going to be running on the car. I did say that, I don't know, quite a few videos ago, but we just ain't got to that point yet, man. But I do have them. They're sitting right there. That set of rims right there. One's behind it are the Cobra R's that used to be on the car, and then there's some factory ponies to go on these new edges. But the ones we put on the car is right there. And I've actually had those things for probably 2 years now. I just had never showed them to nobody. But I think they're going to look good on the car, man. I really do. We got a good deal on them, so that's why we got them. Oh, and I also got to fix the power steering lines. I got to connect all that up since we're not going to be running that little old cooler that they call it. Basically just a tube in front of the condenser. Yeah, I still need to get a condenser too, man. So I'm not mocking up the intercooler quite yet because I'm going to have to move it out of the way. Maybe. Might be able to just get that out when I take out the fan shroud and repaint it. Probably easier to do it that way. I don't know. I get it figured out, guys. But that's all we got tonight, man. We're just still plugging away at it. I'm going to try my damnedest to if it kills me to try to get it the Mustang week. If it don't make it, then it just don't make it, man. But I want to at least try to say that I had it almost, or had it ready to come. Just needed just that little bit more. But you know, it is what it is, guys. I'm trying to do best I can with the time that I got to work with when I'm able to get out here and work, man. Because I think, like I said, I think it's 11:30 right now. Fixing to have to call tonight, go in here and go to bed, go to work, all that good stuff. Come out here tomorrow night and try to tinker with it some more. Probably go ahead and pull that fan shroud and all that stuff off. So, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, thumbs up. But yeah, man, still got a few other things to do. Still got to get plugs in the car, wires. I need to go ahead and get that heater cord changed out, man. That's going to be a pain in the ass. I was kind of waiting to do that when it starts cooling off a little bit more, when it's so hot. It won't be so stuffy working in that car. Right now, it's just been so hot. You know, you can't get out here during the day and work on it. It's too hot in the shop. So, yeah, man, we're chugging along, guys. We're chugging along, man. So, guys, thanks for checking out my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. That's all I got for you guys tonight. Stay tuned for the next one, man. I'm telling you, I hope you could, you know, incorporate this, try it out for yourself, and see how you like it. But that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one, man.